In this question, you have to identify the characteristic feature of cockroach regarding sexual dimorphism. Option A, presence of anal cerci. It is incorrect. Anal cerci are present in both male and female cockroaches, so they do not indicate sexual dimorphism. Option B, dark brown body color and anal cerci. It is incorrect. The dark brown body color and anal cerci are common to both sexes and not feature of sexual dimorphism. Option C, presence of anal styles. Now, anal styles are present only in male cockroaches, making them a characteristic feature of sexual dimorphism. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, presence of sclerites. It is incorrect. Sclerites are exoskeletal plates present in both male and female cockroaches, so they are not related to sexual dimorphism.